biodiversity and climate change, two of the most urgent and interconnected challenges of our time. As we step into Chapter 7 of our Biodiversity course, presented by Smart Agri Hub, we'll uncover the intricate relationship between the living tapestry of our planet and the powerful force of a changing climate. Whether you're an environmental enthusiast, an aspiring scientist, or someone seeking practical solutions for the future, this chapter will illuminate how biodiversity and climate change shape our world and why their synergy matters for agriculture, livelihoods, and the health of our planet. Let's begin with a simple question. What is biodiversity? It's the variety of life forms on Earth: plants, animals, fungi, microorganisms, and the ecosystems they form. Biodiversity is not just a catalog of species, it is the foundation of ecosystems, providing vital services like clean air, fresh water, fertile soil, and pollination. These services are crucial for human survival, especially in agriculture. Now imagine climate change as a force that alters the temperature, precipitation, and weather patterns globally. How does this force interact with the web of life? The relationship between biodiversity and climate change is dynamic and reciprocal. On one hand, climate change poses a direct threat to biodiversity. Rising temperatures, shifting rainfall patterns, and more frequent extreme events disrupt habitats and force species to adapt, migrate, or face extinction. On the other hand, biodiversity itself can mitigate climate change. Healthy ecosystems like forests, wetlands, and grasslands capture carbon dioxide, regulate climate, and protect against natural disasters. Let's explore how climate change impacts biodiversity, starting with terrestrial ecosystems. Forests are often called the lungs of the planet, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. But when temperatures rise and rainfall becomes unpredictable, forests face increased risks of wildfires, pests, and diseases. These stressors can reduce tree cover, altering habitats and threatening countless species. In some regions, tree species may shift their ranges, moving uphill or poleward in search of cooler climates. However, not all species can move quickly enough to survive, and those that do may outcompete native flora and fauna, creating new ecological challenges. Grasslands and savannas are also vulnerable. Changes in rainfall patterns can shift the balance between grasses and shrubs, affecting herbivores like antelope and bison, and the predators that depend on them. In agricultural landscapes, crop yields may decline due to heat stress, droughts, or increased pests. Farmers may need to adapt by choosing climate-resilient crops, diversifying their fields, or adopting sustainable practices that protect soil health and foster biodiversity. Wetlands, marshes, swamps, and bogs are among the most effective carbon sinks on Earth. They store vast amounts of carbon in their soils and vegetation. Climate change, however, threatens wetlands through rising temperatures, altered water flows, and sea level rise. As wetlands shrink or degrade, their ability to capture carbon diminishes, and species that depend on these unique habitats, like amphibians, water birds, and fish, face heightened risks. Turning to marine ecosystems, the world's oceans are both victims and heroes in the story of climate change. Oceans absorb much of the heat generated by greenhouse gases, but this warming disrupts marine life. Coral reefs, often called the rainforests of the sea, are highly sensitive to temperature changes. When water becomes too warm, corals expel the algae that nourish them, causing bleaching and, if prolonged, death. This not only reduces biodiversity, but also affects coastal communities that rely on reefs for food, tourism, and protection from storms. Ocean acidification caused by increased carbon dioxide dissolving in seawater reduces the ability of marine organisms like shellfish and plankton to build protective shells. These organisms are foundational to marine food webs, and their decline can ripple throughout the ecosystem, affecting fish stocks and human livelihoods. Beyond the direct impacts, climate change intensifies existing threats to biodiversity. Habitat destruction, pollution, overexploitation, and invasive species all become more severe as climate conditions shift. For example, invasive species may spread into new areas as temperatures rise, outcompeting native species and disrupting ecological balances. The spread of pests and diseases is another concern, as altered climates create new opportunities for outbreaks. But the relationship doesn't end there. Biodiversity itself offers solutions to climate change. This is the concept of nature-based solutions. Healthy forests, restored wetlands, and diverse agricultural systems can capture and store carbon, build resilience to climate shocks, and protect communities against floods and droughts. Agroforestry, for example, integrates trees into crop and livestock systems, enhancing carbon sequestration, soil fertility, and biodiversity. Cover crops, crop rotation, and conservation tillage are other practices that build resilience while supporting biodiversity. In rural and farming communities, maintaining biodiversity isn't just good for nature, it's essential for food security, income, and adaptation. Diverse crops and livestock breeds are more likely to withstand pests, diseases, and extreme weather. Traditional varieties and indigenous farming practices often incorporate deep knowledge of local ecosystems, helping farmers adapt to changing conditions. Let's consider the global perspective. According to the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, conserving and restoring ecosystems is among the most cost-effective ways to mitigate climate change. When governments, businesses, and communities invest in biodiversity, they not only reduce greenhouse gas emissions, but also enhance resilience to future shocks. However, protecting biodiversity requires coordinated action across sectors, scales, and borders. Policies that integrate biodiversity and climate goals are critical. This means supporting protected areas, restoring degraded lands, and incentivizing sustainable agriculture and forestry. International agreements, like the Paris Agreement and the Convention on Biological Diversity, set the framework for global cooperation. But local action is equally important. Communities, farmers, and land managers are on the front lines, making daily decisions that shape landscapes and ecosystems. Education and awareness are powerful tools. By understanding the links between biodiversity and climate change, individuals and organizations can make informed choices, whether it's reducing their carbon footprint, supporting eco-friendly products, or participating in conservation efforts. Technology, too, plays a role. Satellite monitoring, data analytics, and precision agriculture help track changes, identify risks, and optimize land management for both productivity and sustainability. As we look to the future, the stakes are high. If biodiversity declines, ecosystems may lose their ability to adapt to climate change, triggering feedback loops that worsen impacts. But by valuing and protecting the diversity of life, we strengthen the resilience of our planet and the people who depend on it. In summary, biodiversity and climate change are deeply intertwined. Climate change threatens the richness and stability of ecosystems, while biodiversity offers powerful solutions for mitigation and adaptation. Agriculture stands at the crossroads, both vulnerable to change and central to the solutions. Through smart, integrated approaches, we can build a future where biodiversity thrives, climate risks are managed, and communities are empowered. Thank you for joining us in Chapter 7 of our biodiversity journey. Stay curious, stay engaged, and remember, the choices we make today shape the world we inherit tomorrow. Continue learning with Smart Agri Hub, where knowledge meets action for a sustainable future.